Okay, so now that we have made the wall art, it is time to hang it on the wall. And there are some tips, there are a lot of tips out there on the internet, but I want to show you the one that I am planning to use to hang this up in my powder room. So this is the wall art that I've made, and so what I want to do is start by using craft paper. You can find this at Walmart, online, or even at the Dollar Tree if you want. So what you want to do is have enough to expand the entire perimeter of your frame. So what I'm gonna do is just place my frame on top. Sorry for the noise. Alright. So what you wanna do, now that you have placed your frame on, now that you have placed your frame on this craft paper, you just take a pencil or a pen, whatever you have on hand, and you want to trace the frame. I'm going to trace all the way around. Just keep it in place. If you need help, grab someone to help you hold it, but you can definitely do this by yourself. Okay, once you do that, you can remove the frame. And now it's time to cut out the shape that you created. So with your scissors, just cut along the line that you just created. Okay, so now that you have cut out the shape of your frame with your scissors, it should look something like this, and it's probably like rolling up on you. What you can do is place some books on top of it, put some weight on it so that it stretches out. You could also spritz it with a little bit of water and then just iron it to straighten it out. And then you can place pieces of tape, painter's tape. You could do masking tape, but I would prefer to use painter's tape because we are actually going to place this on the wall. Let me see, I'm just gonna place a couple of pieces of tape on the sides of it. Okay, now that we have our piece of paper, we have our painter's tape on the edges of it. Now it's time to place it on the wall and position it to our liking. So I'm going to go ahead and cut out another piece because I'm going to put 2 frames on the wall. Okay, so now that I have the pieces of craft paper up, what I'm going to do is just place my, I call it a ook hanger. This is a picture hanger, and I'm just gonna press it into the wall. It's kind of like at an angle. And what I'm going to do is just put it in the center. You can always measure, but I'm going to eyeball it and just press it in. Ooh. And put it in like that. I already did the one at the top, and what you want to do is just take your piece of paper off. You don't really need it anymore. Just like so. And then we can hang our artwork on the wall. This is a really tight area, so I hope you can see what I'm doing. I'm just going to hang it up. And I'm going to find my level and make sure it's leveled out. Using your level, you can just level it out and just straighten it as needed. That's it.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, try watching this one.